Hear this. This is the original Rolling Thunder. Ain't how we come about. We come with a girl. All Long Island crew, big up on the chest, and the girls them big up on the breast. Mikey, respect concrete from ground to ceiling. Now it's right now, I got bringing an artist. Come in, Trilla U. Easy. All Rolling Thunder crew, sing. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Hear this. The time is how we're gonna kill the sound. Rolling thunder is the chosen sound. I'm not the type of sound who give up just like that. Oh no. Yesterday a song guy just disrespect. Tonight is the night we gonna broke them neck. I'm not the type of sound who give up just like that. Oh no. Rolling thunder is the champion. Cooper song guy and just broke them on and make them know we are the chosen one. That song guy just go pack up your pan. I'm not the type of sound who give up just like that. Oh no. Yesterday a song guy come disrespect. Rolling thunder the champion will crack them neck. I'm not the type of sound who give up just like that. Oh no. Time is already gonna kill the sound. Rolling thunder is the champion. If a song guy test we pop them on and let them know it in a style and fashion. I'm not the type of sound who give up just like that. Oh no. I'm not the type of sound who give up just like that. Hey, yeah. Sing. Anytime a song guy want to compete.